Welcome back, my YouTube fam. All right, we have another recipe. I like making recipes and videos, and I hope you're enjoying them. You see, little by little, I'm trying to upgrade my videos, meaning like the tools that I'm using, because I got me a new cutting board, and I wanted to start using my signature plate. This will be my signature plate. So, but anywho, little by little we'll talk about the little upgrades. But thank you again for supporting me and supporting my channel. So let's continue. This is going to be really simple. Let me give you a little story. I was at work on Friday, and it's the season when things are starting to ripen for people in their vegetable gardens and stuff. And a coworker brought in me a green tomato, and you can't find these in the market. And a green tomato is just an unripened regular tomato, but there is a such thing as a green tomato. This is not. This is just an unripened regular tomato, which it is about to. But I thought this is a perfect opportunity to make a green fried tomato. So this is what we're going to do. Simple recipe. All I'm going to do is cut this. I'm going to put it in my egg bath, which I have my trio plus one, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. So that's my trio plus one is in my egg wash, and my my flour that I will be using, that I kind of also have that same type of trio, but I have seasons, my signature seasons I always do in my flour. And my flour is low carb flour. You can buy low carb flour, just to let you know. So, like I said, this is quick. I'm going to cut this, and we will be right back. But let's create some magic. We're going to, at a snap of a finger, we're just going to see them appear here as cut tomatoes. We're going to do it. Ta-da! Hey, is that magic? Is that magic? We're going to call this the magic green tomato. Boop. All right, so let's get this little assembly line going. You know how they say one dry hand, one wet hand? So I'm just going to show you one, and I'll probably fast forward because it's only 4 pieces, So let me do a quick stir of my egg. And I'm going to simply take one. Make sure I have it so you can see what I'm doing. And this will be my wet hand, since it's closer. What I'll do is I'll do all first. No, one at a time. So we're going to add that to here. A little roll around. Pull it out. Drop it back in. And get some more flour on it. And we're going to pick it up, do a little shake, get the excess off, and here is my first one. I will put it here, and I will continue on. So I will either fast forward through it, or you'll see me when they're all ready to. Bam! Remember who used to say that? Emerald. And we're back. Ta-da! They're all ready to be fried up. So let's see what they look like on the next clip. Snap! And we're back. Yes! Here we are. I will lift the plate and let you see. I have also put a little bit of pasta sauce with a little bit of Italian seasoning, my trio +1, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. And we have a finished product, so let's cut into it. Alright, and remember, this was made with low carb flour. If you want to know where I got my low carb flour from, remember, I'm always trying to keep it low carb, and most of the recipes that I do try to either copycat off the YouTube or somewhere else, I put my spin on it to make it low carb if it is already high in carb. I try to find low carb recipes off the bat, but anyhow, I'm rambling on. So let's cut into this one here. Oh, the skin is coming off of it. Oh, that's the best part, is the skin. Let's try it. It's still pretty hot. That's pretty good. Let me see if I can get a good or a better software so I can show. And there you go. I think that's a little bit better. There you go. And since I cut it up, I have to eat it. Try not to talk with my mouth full. I didn't even use the sauce yet with this. So, fam, please try it out. Let me know. Now, let me also explain my food videos, because I don't really go by measurements unless I'm doing something totally different, or am I baking. Baking is you have to be precise on the measurements. When you're just cooking like your southern cooking or whatever, you don't have to be precise on how many tablespoons this and that. That's why most of my videos, you will not see that on I'll just say I put this and I put that, because it's always to my taste. Now, if you want a detailed one, please comment in the comments below, and I will make a video that will be detailed to give you measurement. I mean the cups and measures of all the different ingredients I use. But my average is you go by my taste. I learn my taste, and I just cook right off the whatever I pinch. Little here, a little shake here, a little shake there. Anywho, try these out. If you happen to be lucky and get your hands on a green tomato, simply easy to do. And you can put flour in your seasonings or whatever. You can change this up and make a Cajun one, or a curry type of tomato. But do whatever you want. And if you change up my recipe, let me know in the comments below, because I would like to try it too. So on that note, y'all family, please try it out. Please give me a thumbs up. And again, thanks for the support of me and the support of my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.